Hello, it is such a rainy day. I thought it'd be really fun to do some tidying up around the house. I got a pumpkin cream cold brew and it's super rainy outside. It's so cozy. All right, let's get to cleaning. I'm gonna expose myself. This is how my junk drawer looks. But honestly, I think it's pretty organized. Ta-da! See if we see our hummingbirds. This is how the day looks. It's been super rainy. I love this weather. I guess this is the outer bands of, what's that hurricane? Ida? Is that it? Hurricane Ida? Yeah, so I really love this weather. It's so nice. Come back, hummingbird. Aww. So this is an area of our home that I literally always forget what it's called, like a mud room area, but it's actually literally just this tiny opening. So I have like Mavis's leash and some of my bags and a hat, but I hate this. This like all piles up all the time. Hey, you're inside now. And I have some shoes here, so I'm gonna try to tidy this up. So this is in our bedroom and we have this dresser, and of course like I want it to look super nice and aesthetically pleasing, and then I end up putting everything on it. So let's tidy this up. A sigh of relief. It's so much better. No. Get it! She hates this. This is the state of my desk right now, and I think I definitely need to tidy it up a little bit. It's bothering me. I don't know when I became such a slightly organized person. So it turns out my desk is not that untidy. It's pretty much all the things I need: water bottle, headphones, coffee, planner, computer, monitor, cup that holds random pens that I never use, coffee, coffee heater, iPad, and cute plant. That's kind of all I'm gonna do for tidying today. I try to clean very, very often because I realized I have to have like a really mostly as clean as possible home and space to feel really calm, and I will do anything to protect my calmness that I've been having lately. Thank you so much for, oh, you know what? I was looking over here because I painted a pattern on this wall. Here, I'll show you properly. It looks like this. One of Darren's friends said it looks like it has the Taco Bell vibe. But yeah, it's like pink and this cute sage green color that my cousin Christy gave me some samples of. And I finally just like took the plunge and did it, and it was really scary and I freehanded it, but I think it looks fun. I'm really happy I did it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for keeping me company while I clean, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you have a great day.